the controversies and changes in the latest Australian immigration update. From Australia, the latest news is about a heated debate and ensuing policy changes in the country immigration sphere. The hot-button issues from asylum applicants to the leveraging of the latest in technology and visa processing is what we all should be talking about the immigration news affecting the continent. Before we continue, let us know if you want to migrate to Australia or already in Australia and having trouble with your immigration application. We have hundreds of expert immigration advisors registered on our website. Just click the link in the description box and comments section below. Let's resume the video and talk about the asylum policy debate. A controversial agenda. One of the most contested aspects of the bill is the imposition of criminal liability on those who have previously been denied refugee claims and subsequently refused to retrace their steps to their home countries. This hardline approach, which may push a sentence of up to 5 years imprisonment, could not be disputed any more strongly. Accordingly, opponents contend that the proposal would bestow the Department of Home Affairs with excessive power and, as a result, impair the life of individuals with bridging visas that are awaiting the final decision. These people have contributed to the community, which is making it possible for them to stay and work. This step makes it a necessary issue to the questions of how national security and human rights can be in balance. Now, let's take a look at the changes in state sponsorship requirements. In a significant shift, New South Wales has made it easier for individuals to qualify for the 491 visa, a key state sponsorship visa. By reducing the work requirement in regional areas from 12 months to just 6 months for Pathway 1 applicants, NSW appears to be addressing a critical gap in the regional workforce. This adjustment could signal a broader trend in state sponsorship policies, particularly in light of the challenges in attracting skilled labour to regional areas. Did you know about Australia automating immigration decision-making? The Australian government is pioneering the use of artificial intelligence in the immigration domain, particularly in assessing specific conditions for student visas. This move, however, is not without its critics. There are concerns about the capability of AI to accurately make discretionary decisions that have traditionally required a deep, nuanced understanding of individual circumstances. Despite these concerns, plans to expand the use of AI in visa decision-making are moving forward, raising important questions about the future role of technology in immigration. It was also found that Australian governments are attempting to addressing the labour shortage through immigration. The persistent labour shortage in trades and construction has been a hot topic, with discussions focusing on the necessity of importing skilled workers. Immigration Minister Andrew Giles has announced new initiatives aimed at making it easier for South Australian employers to sponsor workers under the 482 visa. These measures are targeted at alleviating shortages in critical sectors such as care work, nursing and teaching, which are essential for the country's social and economic well-being. Lastly, let's talk about Australia's visa processing times, utterly contrasting a bag of mixed feelings. The picture of issuing visas shows conflicting measures. On the one hand, the processing time for a 189 visa has been shown to be notably more proficient than previously. On that same note, processing times for partner visas have exceeded the norm, apparently due to the continuing issues in appropriately allocating resources for specific categories. Irrespective of the fact that it might sound like being critical, this inconsistency will draw the attention to the issues with the visa system treaded. In the eyes of the institution, the university is a sounding board. The paper ends by stating that Australian universities admonish the government's dealing with student visa issues, the consequences of which go beyond the vocational and higher education system. The focus of the critique is the random public criticism of the use of university ranking system by Followee, which was designed to simplify the student visa processing but to the larger extent seen as to reduce the students' visas meters. The massification of higher education carries serious concerns for Australia's universities as well as international recognition. From globalisation and its impact on education, a case study of Australia. The Australian immigration policy drama seems to be constantly emerging, growing and evolving, hence it has its share of debates and policy evolutions. Addressing these complicated matters stand as the country's crucial test, and a delicate balance between maintaining national security and creating a diverse, vibrant country raises to the forefront. Our video ends here. Thanks for watching today's update, and we'll see you soon in our next video update.